समूची दुनिया इस वक्त कोरोना महामारी के प्रकोप से जूझ रही है। करोड़ों लोग इससे संक्रमित हो चुके हैं। संकट के इस समय महाबोधि इंटरनेशनल मेडिटेशन सेंटर लेह लद्दाख मानवता की सेवा में निरंतर कार्यरत है। महाबोधि चैरिटेबल हॉस्पिटल के माध्यम से कोरोना संक्रमित लोगों का इलाज किया जा रहा है। इसके अलावा देश के विभिन्न हिस्सों में गरीब तथा जरूरतमंद लोगों तक राशन का दान भी पहुंचाया जा रहा है। इसी क्रम में नागपुर में भी भिक्षु संघ के लिए दान का आयोजन किया गया। कोरोना संक्रमण से लड़ने वाले कोरोना वॉरियर्स के प्रति महाबोधि इंटरनेशनल मेडिटेशन सेंटर अपनी संवेदनाएं व्यक्त करता है। डॉक्टर्स, नर्सेस, पैरामेडिकल स्टाफ, पुलिस, सफाई कर्मचारी, पत्रकार एवं जो भी लोग इस लड़ाई में फ्रंट पर कार्यरत है, उन सभी के प्रति भंते संघ सेना आभार व्यक्त करते हैं, उनका हौसला बुलंद करते हैं। महाबोधि इंटरनेशनल मेडिटेशन सेंटर लेह लद्दाख द्वारा कोरोना वॉरियर्स का सम्मान करने के लिए एक विशेष प्रोग्राम का आयोजन किया गया था, जिसके तहत कोरोना महामारी से मुकाबला करने वाले कोरोना वॉरियर्स का सम्मान किया गया। कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत में भंते संघ सेना, जो संस्थापक है महाबोधि मेडिटेशन सेंटर लेह लद्दाख के, तथा सम्मान्य अतिथियों द्वारा भगवान बुद्ध को अभिवादन किया गया, उन्हें नमन किया गया। इसके बाद महाबोधि इंटरनेशनल मेडिटेशन सेंटर की छात्राओं ने कोरोना वॉरियर्स का गीत और संगीत से सम्मान किया, उनका अभिवादन किया।
पशु नहीं इंसान बने, चिंतन करे, आमनन करे। हम पशु नहीं इंसान बने, ये युग नहीं है युद्ध का, ये युग नहीं है युद्ध का, ये युग है अब बुद्ध का, बुद्ध का, बुद्ध का। बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि, धर्मं शरणं गच्छामि, संघं शरणं गच्छामि। शील का लक्ष्य है क्या, इखलास का मकसद क्या? शील का लक्ष्य है क्या, इखलास का मकसद क्या? हम अपनी जगह जरा गौर करें, हम अपनी जगह जरा गौर करें, हम गौर करें, हम गौर करें।
सतीश खंदारे, इंस्पेक्टर जनरल ऑफ पुलिस, आईजीपी लद्दाख, इनका भी सम्मान किया गया। इसके अलावा विभिन्न क्षेत्रों में कार्यरत कोरोना वॉरियर्स का सम्मान किया गया। लेह प्रेस क्लब को इस समय 1 लाख रुपये का दान भंते संघ सेना द्वारा दिया गया। इस समय मान्यवर कोरोना वॉरियर्स ने अपनी भावनाएं व्यक्त की।
वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ दिस इंस्टीट्यूट, माय कलीग इन एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, friends from media and all respectable who are present here. First, let me thank the Mahabodhi International Institute for honoring Ladakh Police as well as medical fraternity and everybody who is related or who is contributing in the fight against Corona. So I am honored, I feel privileged, and on behalf of Ladakh Police, I express my sincere gratitude to Mahabodhi Institute. Actually, when one visits Ladakh, one is transported into a different world. This place such a unique geographical feature which you don't get to see anywhere in our country. And generally one tend to, feel spiritual when one visit Ladakh. So in this land of high mountain and multiple passes, Mahabodhi Institute is doing a wonderful job of teaching spirituality to the people. So I think this is the great work Mahabodhi Institute is doing here. Apart from that, Mahabodhi Institute is really has undertaken various projects which are very helpful and useful to humankind. I also appreciate this institute for being so proactive in the fight against corona. I remember we were discussing there was a need to make a separate hospital for COVID patient, a COVID hospital. And I remember Mahabodhi Institute volunteered itself for this job. So I think that is the very nice gesture, and this is a very great contribution of this institute. I would like to take this opportunity to express my gratitude to all other department, government servant who are on the forefront in the fight against COVID, especially the medical department. We all know in Ladakh the medical staff is limited, medical facility is limited, but the way they rose to the occasion and handled this crisis, I think this is very commendable. And because of their effort, we were able to control the spread of corona in Ladakh region. So I really salute them.
Macik Joste in Nadiambo, in Mugebo, in Narsopola, Norste Sitatros, Yangatang Sama Scripture Sitat Labats. The Natala Scoopum spoken in Atang Sama, Oyunga, Mampo Chayong Tang Machuga, Kada Salazas, Abja Salazas, Yantena Tolangatang Miria Paonis, Turgun, Jacna Namlangla, Snatok Pitop Naminam, Nasu de Mordemohun. Last mimang la talazats. Stars chistars, mirjet pestars, te gyan sanga sene chak ring sinopit. Nyaramulla.
अंत में भंते संघ सेना ने मार्गदर्शन किया.
All the directions of the universe may kindly look at all of us here and shower their blessings upon all of us for the success of our coming together here. Our most respected and beloved Shri Satish Khandare, IPS, the Honorable IGP, Ladakh Police, Most Venerable Gyan Lobsang Yantak, Honorable Councillor Upper Leh, Dr. Siring Sampil, Medical Superintendent, SNM Hospital Leh, Shri Padma Shiri, Mr. Murup Nangyal, Vice President of MIMC Leh, Shri Siring Sampil Sahib, Vice President of MIMC Leh, Madam Stanzi Nangmo, the Department of Information and Public Relations Leh UT, Shri Losar SP CBI Leh, Shri Murup Sanzin, President, Press Club Leh, and the members of the media, Shri Rikzin Dorje, Project Coordinators, Leap to Rescue Center Leh, UT Ladakh, Mr. Ramesh Chandra, News in Charge, Doordarshan Kendra Leh, and All India Radio Leh, Dr. Bakwar Nodal Officers COVID Hospital. I'm sorry if I'm not pronounced your name correctly. And all the other distinguished guests who have gathered here for this humble ceremony. Today we are here firstly to express our profound gratitude, thankfulness, love and respect to our very respected Shri Satish Khandare, the Honorable IGP Ladakh Police, for establishing the first Ladakh Police after Ladakh separating from Jammu and Kashmir. It is indeed a historic, it is indeed a moment of great pride and pleasures for all the people of Ladakh. I will have no time to talk further. Lot to talk and share with you on this auspicious occasion. As you all know, before Ladakh became a UT, Union Territory, all kinds of difficulties, problems, and all rest of the things we had to face, now all this solved. Having our own Ladakh Police. So, on my own behalf and on behalf of all the members and the students and staff of the Mahabodhi International Meditation Center, like to express our heartfelt thanks and gratitude to our most beloved and respected Satish Khandare Sahib for establishing the first Ladakh Police and being the first IGP of Ladakh Police. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And I have so many friends, sir, in Bombay, Aurangabad, Nagpur, Pune. So after you arrive here in November, I already have left Ladakh. Normally during the winter time, I move and keep on moving from place to place, have no permanent place to stay. Charat Bhikkhave Charikang Bhaujana Hitaya Bhaujana Hitaya, Lord Buddha said. So Bhikkhu keep on going there, they're begging for my organizations, don't stay. So I had to leave Ladakh in October. And when I was traveling and meeting people in these areas, Maharashtra and Gujarat, other places, many of my friends have talked about you and spoke so high about you. They all said, he's a wonderful officer, so humble, so honest. And since then, I've been longing to see you, sir. Since then, I've been longing to have this humble program to invite you to our ashrams and to offer this humble honoring. And thank you so much. And having said this, today also we have gathered here to honor, to express our gratitude, thanks, which really cannot be expressed in words. The sense of gratitude and thanks we should express to the COVID-19 warriors, Corona warriors. Many of them, again, the medical fraternity, doctors, nurses, and other medical staff, putting their life at risk, have served all the COVID-19 affected patients. And this is something not usual, normal people like to do it. Everybody wants to protect and save his or her own life. Here, especially the medical fraternity of Ladakh, from the top, I don't know, the directors and CMO and superintendent and other doctors, excuse me if I'm not able to follow the orders and things. All of them have performed an excellent service for protecting, saving lives from this terrible, deadly coronavirus. And it is such a matter of pride and pleasures for people of Ladakh that Ladakh may be a very special place, though many people was tested as positive, but not a single patient, affected seriously. I have not heard any patient, getting sick and required to put on ventilators and other things. They were diagnosed and, brought to the respective places and taken care and went back happily, smilingly, and not a single casualty, as you have heard from others before.